Alright, family, what's good, man? It's your boy, the Wallstreet Trapper. Let's look into that recession portfolio, man. Listen, we're gonna start the year off, man, looking straight into this recession portfolio, showing y'all how we are maneuvering to start the year off, right? You know, we're gonna first go through the options portfolio, and then we're gonna go through the buy and hold portfolio. Y'all know each and every year, I start the buy and hold portfolio from scratch. And the reason why I started from scratch is so that you can see me beat the market every year. It's important that you see that. It's important that you see that that's possible. And we bring you on a journey to let you see everything else, man. Let's get it. All right, so as you can see, today is a great day, man. Today we up. Today we had an unrealized gain of 307,000. That's crazy. That's just on our options account, right? Let's just walk through the options portfolio so y'all can see that. Y'all can see what I'm down on, see what I'm up on. And let's walk through it. So the first call we got is the January 17th, 2025 call. Oh, this is about to be up. Oh, this call about to be over with. I didn't realize that. So we about to get out of that call. It's the January 17th, 2025 call. It's up 65%. We have 20, I'm sorry. It's up, 65%. 22,000 on that one. We love that. Next call is an A-net call up February 25. It's 141%. We like that. We got an app loving call. Today it had a rally. We down 13% on that. Today we hit for 7,500. We're going to get that. We got an AVG call up in March 21. We got 13 of those. In the A-net contract, we got 80 of those. So we probably got to get out of some of those. The AVGO call up 200%. We got 13, so we probably need to sell half of that. We got the AXP call. Shout out to American Express. We got 10 of those contracts. Today alone, that thing hit 24%. We up 177%. We definitely need to get out of some of those. Costco play is down 34%. CrowdStrike play is up 2%. Let's go, Costco. CrowdStrike. One of my favorite calls right here, Goldman Sachs. We got 15 contracts. We up 218%, y'all. Who else gonna show y'all them percentages like that? You feel me? We got another Goldman Sachs call. We got 30 contracts. We down 18%, but that thing hit for 36 bands today. Down 17 grand. I like that. Of course, y'all know listen, I rock with Meta. So we got two Meta plays, up 52%, up 23%. We got 20 contracts on one, 21 contracts on another. We love that. We got two MSTR plays, MicroStrategy. Both of them are down. One down 21%, one down 26%. So we all right with that. We got a Netflix play right here, March 25. It's up 83%. We got 6 contracts. We got another Netflix play right here. Got 10 contracts. It's down 48%. NVIDIA just giving me a hard time, man. We got 2 NVIDIA calls in. A February 21 call that's down 42%. Yo, we really need that play to make some moves within the next 2 weeks for sure, man. At least get it down to 20% or something. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're going to be taking the L on that. We got this 150 call for June. My biggest position, 45% is down. It's down $130,000. We got 125 contracts. So we need that to move. We got a QQQ play. March, we got 25 contracts. It's up 3,500. We got an SMH play. March, up 19%. We like that. We got a Tesla play for April. That's at 94%. We got another Tesla play for July. It's at 20%. It's down 20%. Got an XLK. So all together we are in, let's count this right quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We in 22 plays. And out of 22 plays, we down on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plays we down on. I mean, we up on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we down on 10, up on 12. We like that. We sitting on 86,000 cash. Today, again, 300,000 profit. We up 9%. So we like that. We like that. Let's go a little further though. We'll go a little further because then we'll go into our buy and hold account. Definitely got to show y'all, So we started over this year with the buy and hold portfolio. So far in the buy and hold portfolio, as you can see, total unrealized gains. So far, we up 0.41%. Today, we got 2% out of it, which is good. We're sitting on right at $500,000 in cash. We got these 4 plays. We got Costco in. We have 200 shares of Costco. Today is up $1,085. FICO, we are up $7,000. Let's go. Let's go, FICO. Let's go, FICO. Let's go, FICO. Right? So we got 115 shares of FICO. And then we have Meta. We have 250 shares of Meta. And then we have NVIDIA. We have 500 shares of NVIDIA. So as of right now, we total gains $2,600 because NVIDIA is just knocking us off right now. But I think that's going to turn around for us for sure. Of course, today we had some great CPI numbers. We had some good PPI numbers, so that helped the portfolio out good. The goal for me, last year we ended the year, we was up 30. We had a 41% return last year on the market, 47% return last year on the market, which was good. Now buy and hold. We did 2.5 million in options last year. So yeah, man, we on it. And so at least once a month, we're going to try to come give y'all this recession portfolio. And we call this one right here the Freedom Index. We call this one the Freedom Index. And so today in total, we up 315,000 with account is at 3.1 million. Our ultimate goal this year is to reach $5 million. That's our goal this year. Our goal this year is for the account to hit 5 million. I mean, we got 11 months, 12 months. You know what I'm saying? We want to really be aggressive. We want to navigate. We thinking, especially going to watch January. With a day like this, kind of puts the market back on track. If we have a positive January, we definitely have a great year. And so, navigating myself, navigating people that's in my Patreon community through these type of things, keeping them safe, limiting what we lose in the game, is going to be important for us, man. So, we got a new president coming in. That new president coming in going to be Donald Trump. He's going to be corporate friendly, but also on the downside, he's going to have a lot of tariffs, which means it's going to be more expensive for other countries. The dollar is increasing. The dollar index is at 109, which means it is really expensive to trade with America right now. So all those things intact, man, we still feel good about the market. And let's get it, man. It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper. Listen, make sure you tap into our show each and every Tuesday called Trapping Tuesday on 7 p.m. Eastern time on the Wall Street Looks Like Us 9 network, man. Make sure you tap in. If you want to learn the market, you want to learn how to get this bread, man. It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper. Salute.